Want to create professional social media content for your brand quickly? Let me show you how to do it with Vibepeak. First, go to the Tools section in Vibepeak and click on Property Showcase. Here, you'll find different templates to create designs that promote your listings, both in vertical format for social media and horizontal format for storefront displays or screens. First, I'm going to create an image for my social media. To do that, I'll choose the dynamic collage template. Then, I'll enter my property details: price, square footage, number of bedrooms, bathrooms, or any other information you want to highlight. Each template automatically adapts that information to the design. Next, I'll upload the images. First, select a main image, which will be used as the cover of the post. Then, add the supporting photos required by the template to showcase other rooms and details of the property. You can even add your real estate agency's logo to personalize the result even further. Finally, select the language, and in just a few seconds, your custom design will be ready to download and publish. Now, I'm also going to create a version of the same property for the storefront display. Just click Create a New Version, select the horizontal format, and choose the template you like best. Then enter the new property details, and when you continue, you'll see that the images you uploaded earlier are already ready to generate this new version. You can replace any image or continue using the same ones. Select the language you want to use, and in just a few seconds, your image will be ready. And here you can see both results. It's that easy. In just a few minutes, you can turn your property photos into professional posts designed to capture attention on social media with Vibepeak.